sun energy. One world, one love, one family. Everybody listen up, please follow me. Everybody listen up, please follow me. Now plant some shade trees, that's so amazing. Take a walk, that saves gasoline. At home, turn everything low, it's simple. You save energy.